Before Rolex ruled the wrists of the world, one man crossed an ocean with nothing but a dream and a pocket full of gears. His name? Dietrich Gruen, and what he built would revolutionize watchmaking forever. But why did his empire vanish? Stay with me, because this forgotten legacy is one of the most fascinating stories in horological history. Dietrich Gruen was born in 1847 in the quaint town of Osthofen, Germany, a place where time seemed to flow as steadily as the Rhine River nearby. From a young age, Dietrich was drawn to the delicate mechanics of watchmaking, enchanted by the idea that something so small could measure the vastness of time. This passion for precision and craftsmanship defined him, setting the course for a life dedicated to horology. At the age of 20, with little more than his skills and ambition, he crossed the ocean to America, settling in Cincinnati, Ohio, a burgeoning hub of innovation and industry. In 1894, Dietrich and his son Fred founded the company under the name D. Gruen & Son. By 1898, it had evolved into the Gruen Watch Company, driven by a singular vision to create timepieces that were both practical and beautiful. The Gruen name quickly became synonymous with excellence. In 1904, the company introduced the very thin pocket watch, a groundbreaking design that reimagined the mechanics of timekeeping. With a movement only 3 millimeters thick, the very thin boosted a sleek 44mm case that exuded elegance, often paired with a finely crafted leather strap or gold chain. Soon after came the Pentagon, a bold 5-sided pocket watch that turned heads and set trends among the elite. Featuring a unique 19-jewel movement and a distinctive polished steel case, the Pentagon was both a conversation starter and a symbol of luxury. Gruen's innovation didn't stop there. By 1908, the company had pioneered wristwatches for women, tapping into a growing market for stylish yet practical accessories. These early models, often adorned with intricate engravings and paired with satin or leather straps, became must-haves for fashionable women of the era. During World War I, Gruen adapted once more, producing wristwatches for men, a necessity for soldiers who needed quick and reliable access to time during the chaos of war. This shift marked a turning point, solidifying the wristwatch as a staple for both men and women. In 1917, Gruen cemented its legacy with the construction of Time Hill, a striking headquarters in Cincinnati that echoed the grandeur of a medieval guild hall. Time Hill wasn't just a factory. It was a monument to craftsmanship, innovation, and community. Ohio itself was steeped in horological history, also serving as the home of the Ball Watch Company, another pioneer in precision timekeeping. Together, these companies positioned Ohio as a beacon of American watchmaking. The 1930s brought one of Gruen's most iconic creations, the CurveX. Launched in 1935, this watch was a masterpiece of design and engineering. Its curved movement and case hugged the wrist's natural contour, combining comfort with sophistication. Powered by the innovative caliber 311 movement, the CurveX was available in multiple case sizes, ranging from a modest 35mm to a bold 40mm. It was often paired with a luxurious crocodile leather strap or a sleek stainless steel bracelet, adding to its versatility and charm. The CurveX became a symbol of timeless elegance, gracing the wrists of Hollywood stars like Fred Astaire, Bette Davis, and Cary Grant. Each star brought their unique flair to the brand, making Gruen synonymous with glamour and sophistication. Other notable models included the Gruen Airflight, a pilot's watch celebrated for its innovative rotating dial that displayed 24-hour time, and the Precision, a line that showcased the company's unwavering commitment to accuracy. The Airflight featured a robust 36mm stainless steel case and a rotating bezel, paired with a canvas or leather strap for durability and style. Meanwhile, the Precision line introduced high-quality 17-jewel movements, housed in sleek cases that ranged from gold-plated to stainless steel, often complemented by matching metal bands. At its peak, Gruen's watches were distributed internationally, a testament to the reputation for quality and innovation. World War II marked another pivotal moment for Gruen. The company temporarily halted civilian watch production to focus on manufacturing precision instruments for the military, contributing to the war effort. But while Gruen's factories worked tirelessly for a noble cause, Swiss watchmakers faced no such interruptions, allowing them to flood the market with their timepieces. By the war's end, Swiss brands had solidified their dominance, creating a competitive landscape that Gruen struggled to navigate. The post-war years brought challenges that struck at the heart of Gruen's identity. Global competition, particularly from Swiss and Japanese manufacturers, began to erode Gruen's market share. The very innovations that had once set the company apart now faced steep competition in an industry that prized efficiency over artistry. Despite introducing forward-thinking designs and maintaining its reputation for quality, the company couldn't keep pace. In 1953, the Gruen family sold their stake in the business. Over the next few years, the company underwent significant restructuring, and by 1958, it was dismantled, its assets sold off to various entities. Its Swiss factory in Bienne, which had been integral to its production, was sold to a former supplier in 1977. Yet, Gruen's story does not end with its closure. Today, its watches are treasures of horological history, cherished by collectors and enthusiasts who see them not merely as timepieces, but as works of art. The elegant Very Thin, the revolutionary CurveX, the adventurous Airflight, and the precise Precision line all stand as monuments to Gruen's dedication to beauty and innovation. Each watch tells a story of an era when craftsmanship and creativity defined the art of watchmaking, making them highly sought after in auctions and private collections worldwide. As we close the story of the Gruen Watch Company, we return to the image of a young Dietrich Gruen in Osthofen, Germany, sketching the first outlines of a legacy that would span generations. His dream of measuring time with artistry and precision blossomed into a company that inspired the world and defined an era. Though the Gruen name may no longer adorn new storefronts, its spirit endures in every tick and tock of the watches it created, a testament to the timeless power of craftsmanship and vision.